Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Start your day with a smile and positive thoughts. Welcome back to the next lecture of English language. Think English, speak English. We have already started with writing skills in the previous lecture, and we have finished one of the important topic of writing skill, that was report writing. I hope you all have understood. Today, I am going to move towards the another writing skill which is also very important and carries 5 marks. You all are familiar with that, and that is letter writing. Letter writing is a very old form of communication, children. People in the past, they used to communicate with one another through letter writing, because that time social media was not started, and telephones were also not so common. Okay, so they used to write letter to one another for communication. See the definition. Letters are a very effective means of communication for keeping contact with those who live at a distance. Obviously, if my mother is living at far or my father is at far away place, so I can write the letter. हम आस पड़ोस वालों को तो letter नहीं लिखते. Though it is an outdated method. Yes, we can say it is outdated because nowadays people doesn't write letters. है ना, अभी हम पर से ही देख लो कि हम letters लिखते हैं. No, we all don't write. And people use latest technology to convey their messages, such as WhatsApp messaging, SMS, and email. Still, the significance of a letter cannot be underestimated. See, children, we are so lucky that we are having so many facilities just thanks to social media. We can write letters. Is apart from letters, we can contact with our near and dear ones through video call also. Okay, so it's a great thing for all of us. It's a blessing, because in the past people, they used to communicate through letters only, because all such facilities were not there. So we all are very lucky that we have all such facilities. Okay, after coming out of all these such facilities also, letter writing has its value. Okay, still the significance of a letter cannot be underestimated. Okay, is अभी भी लेटर लिखे जाते हैं. So letters are of two types: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters are those letters which we write for professional purpose or a business purpose. These letters should be written in few sentences and in a simple language. Okay, and only important things to be discussed in this letter. An informal letter, that is personal letter, which you can write to anyone, like your friend, neighbor, colleagues, and you can say mother, father, and there are no limits. You can discuss your personal things. Okay, you have written, children, in the previous class, if I'm not wrong. This is just a revision for you. We have already done this in standard 9th. So today we will see how to write formal letters and which steps should be followed by the children while writing a formal letter. See the format. Number 1, sender's details. Who are the senders? We are the senders because we are writing the letter. Sender's name and not name, only sender's address and date. Okay, date should be written in this type: 7th March, 2020. Or what is today's date? 13th August 2020. And after August there should be a comma. यही pattern होना चाहिए. Okay. After that, leave a line. Third step, receiver's details. Suppose if I am writing a letter to the editor, so to the editor and then address, everything will come. And you do not repeat the date again in the second address. Second address में date repeat नहीं करनी है. ऊपर एक बार लिख दिया, खत्म. After that, leave a line and then write salutation. What is salutation, children? Dear sir, dear madam. Okay, that comes into it. Or if you are writing a formal letter, then there you can write respected sir too. No problem. Number 5, after salutation, leave a line and write the subject. See children, this is a formal letter, तो casually you cannot write this. आप ऐसे ही लिख सकते हो क्या म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर को या फिर कॉर्पोरेटर को ऐसे ही हाय हेलो करने के लिए लेटर लिख सकते हो क्या? नो, यू शुड राइट फॉर सम पर्पस. Yes or no? So you should mention the subject, because without subject you cannot write a letter to such people. Okay, official letters should be written if you have a proper subject. क्यों लिख रहे हो वो आप बता दो. Okay, after subject again leave a line and then comes the main body of the letter. Okay, main body of the letter कैसे आती है main body? In that introduction, then main content and summary of the letter comes into the body. Okay, number 7, complimentary close. After that, name and sign. Understood, children? Let's see the marking scheme. This letter carries 5 marks. First, sender's address and date, half mark. Recipient's address, half mark. Subject, half mark. Main body, 2 marks. Closing, half mark. And overall grammar. See, you should not make grammatical mistakes while writing letter. And you have to be very careful about punctuation marks also. Okay. So, overall grammar, 1 mark. Like this, 5 marks for formal letter writing. Okay. Now, I'll try to explain you through one of the finest example. See the question. You are Rajesh Rani Suri, staying at Daulat Nagar, Andheri East, Mumbai 400099. Write a letter to your principal requesting to issue a conduct certificate. See children, mostly in the board examination you don't have to write your own address, because addresses are already given and even names are already given. You just have to copy those names and addresses. So here also you have to assume yourself as Rajesh or Rani. Okay? So left hand side on the top you have to write sender's address. So who is the sender over here? Rajesh / Rani is the sender. Don't write the name. Directly you will write the address. What is the address? Be careful children, while writing address, after name of the place you should put comma. ठीक है? और कहीं comma नहीं आएगा. After the name of the place and month, 2 commas. Daulat Nagar, comma, because that's a place. Andheri East, comma. Mumbai 400099, full stop. 10th March 2019. Your 10th March is written. You can write today's date also, that is 13th of August 2020. Okay, this is sender's address. Leave a line and then write receiver's address. To whom we have to write the letter? To the principal. The principal, Navjot Vidyalay, Mumbai 400099. You can write some other name also if you want. See children, after that leave a line and write the subject. As I told you, without any reason you cannot write professional letters. So here you need a strong subject. So what is your subject of writing this letter? Request for issue of a conduct certificate. What do you mean by conduct certificate here? Conduct certificate means character certificate. See children, you might have written letters to your principal for leave, or sometime usually children they write for bona fide certificates. है ना, लिखते हैं ना letters. So you may be have experience of this. Conduct certificate means character certificate. See, there is always a column in the report card where conduct comes. Conduct कैसा है बच्चे का? Good, bad. Okay. So that is for character. So after subject again leave a line. Salutation, respected sir. If you will write dear sir also, no problem. Respected sir, comma, leave a line and then start writing the letter. The main body of the letter. First you introduce. You have to introduce yourself. Who are you and why you are writing a letter. Okay. So all these things should be written in small 3 paras. 3 paras should be written and paras should be small. Okay. पहले तो आप इंट्रोड्यूस करो कि आप लेटर क्यों लिख रहे हो. Then second, give a description regarding that. And third one, you have to summarize your letter. And at the end, you should write some convincing line. Okay, may I request that the certificate be issued at the earliest. Thank you in anticipation. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मुझे जल्दी मिल जाएगा. Okay. And whenever you are beginning a new paragraph, that was the old format where we used to leave one finger gap. But now, no need to leave one finger gap. After every para, you should leave a line, and from new line, you should begin a new paragraph. Okay, children? And then closing. Your obedient student. I told you, you have to close properly with proper designation, and at the end, your name and signature. These steps should be followed by the students while writing the letter. I hope you all have understood. Understood, children? We will have one more time a quick recap. See, this is all for 8 points which should be followed by the children while writing the letter. Letters are of how many types? 2 types. Letters are of 2 types, formal and informal. Today we have started with formal letters which carries 5 marks. Sender's address and date, half mark. Recipient's address, half mark. Subject, half mark. Main body, 2 marks. Closing, half, and grammar, 1. Okay, we have seen this. Everything should be written at the left hand side. Nothing should be written at the right hand side. That was the old pattern. Okay, सब कुछ left hand side पे ही लिखना है. Receiver's address, then leave a line. Okay, then sender's address, then leave a line, then receiver's address, again you leave a line, subject, leave a line, salutation, leave a line, then main body in 3 small paragraph. क्या क्या आना चाहिए main body में? Introduction, main content, the reason why you are writing this, and closing with a proper summary. Okay, by convincing line. After that, again you leave a line. Then what? Your name, your designation with signature. So these are the points which should be followed while writing a letter. I hope you all have understood. Here we finish with formal letter writing. In the next lecture, we will continue with informal letter writing. Till then, take care, children. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.